Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a Riot client account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Riot client. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Here, open the first web link and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Once you are on the web page, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and a new web page will load up. Here, you will see the option to create a new account. Click on the Create Account button to start the process. You will need to fill out some basic information. And choose a strong password to keep your account secure. After entering all the required information, agree to the terms to complete the registration. Once your account is created, click on the Riot client embed at the top and then select the game you would like to download. Once selected, a new web page will load up and you just need to click on the download button. After that, wait for the downloading to be completed and then run the setup. Now, the setup will first install the Riot client and then the game. So that's basically how you can make a Riot client account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.